So we are gonna get back into this whole vlogging thing after about, how long has it been?
5 years.
About 4 or 5 years. Okay, so we have a couple of videos on the channel already, but we're gonna restart this whole thing. We want to go back into this whole, vlogging thing, our daily lives and what we get up to, working for church and, trying to start up a business and all the rest of it. Okay, what can people look forward to while tuning into these vlogs?
I think just the family, home life, young adults, married couple. I don't know when one stops being a young adult, but just married life. It's just the realities of life with kids and doing it together. I think that's also, I love watching that content, so I always think to myself, someone else out there surely must love watching it too.
Yes, absolutely. So that, and we do a lot of home renovations and
Sean
a lot of
does.
DIY stuff.
Sean does. He really is amazing.
I get a lot of DIY requests from my wife. So
whatever.
generally try and do things on a budget. So we'll take you through the process of kind of what we get up to and how we do things. And I also think how we used to do. We used to go to a lot of different Airbnbs and show people where to stay and what to do. So that's part of this vlog as well. When we just got back home now from Hilton. Yeah,
it was very cool.
And we stayed at a lovely little Airbnb called Bergview. Yes. And it was nice. It was awesome. Lovely. So if ever you're up in Hilton, there's a cool place to go and stay. What do you think?
Good.
Good. This place is so nice. Everything for the kids, which is really nice. Take you through a quick tour. Fireplace, TV room, beautiful. The office space, beautiful kitchen. Look how cool this is. Is coming with us. Me.
Yo, this is nice.
It's very nice. And look how cool this is for the kids.
Oh, nice.
This is cool.
Hey, do you have one of these for Sammy? Sammy, you just be careful with that.
Okay. And look, I love how they branded stuff. And here. Two fireplaces. Beautiful rooms. Look how nice this bathroom is. Shower, bath, room. Another little room. Bed warmers. Let's go. And then the main bedroom. Stunning. Beautiful view. And nice bath. You come out to Hilton, Bergview Homestead. It's the one you want to come and stay at for sure. It's very, very nice. We're going to watch the rugby just now and we're going to make some food. Tomorrow we go to Link Church Hilton to go and preach. Hilton location, and then we go back home. So this is just literally for one day, one night. Look how cool this is. So the Bergview Homestead, it was really awesome being here. Loved our time in this little home, and there are a couple of other villas that you can hire out as well on Airbnb, and place is really clean, done up really nicely. Love the way that it looked, and my daughter Summer loved her time here. She really got to spend some time in that little kids section. So yeah, grab this little space on Airbnb, check it out, it's awesome. The only thing that the Bergview house didn't have, HDMI cable, so we can connect the laptop to watch the rugby. It's essential, and we found it. This is good news. Now we need firelights. And here we go. Is there a preference?
Rhino dung, little recycle ones, they burn like that.
They burn like a long. Okay. We've got the HDMI, we've got the firelights,
we've got the vodka.
and now we're gonna go win.
go watch.
Now we're gonna go win. Let's go. We definitely made the most of our time here watching the rugby, and we won. Come on, cheers to that. And you cannot go wrong with a nice warm fire. Good night. We'll see you at church. All right, so here we are at our Hilton location. I'm gonna preach this morning. Look at this. Let's go, somebody. Summer, what do you think of this place?
What did you?
Okay. you making the vlog?
Oh, I'm making it.
Yeah.
Cheers.
So here we are just before the service, volunteer prayer meeting, love the space, and got to preach an incredible word. And then we headed back home. What a good time. You only see this in Durban. My boy. My boy. And obviously, you know, we have a daughter now and she's 4. Well, she's turning 4 in November.
Yeah.
And we're going to have another little one.
That's right.
In August. And so what does that whole thing look like? Trying to be a little family and raise 2 kids and make it financially and still fall in love with one another again and again. And yeah, so that's what these vlogs are going to be, I think.
Like Daisy's gonna have 2 dummies.
She does
I have to show you
dummies.
this. I have to show you. So, what did you say?
2 dummies.
So that's you're gonna see a lot of that. You can look forward to while watching these vlogs is we'll take you through the process of us starting, or not really starting the brand, but like
Bring it back to life.
bringing a business back to life called Sunny and Bear. So tell us a little bit about Sunny and Bear.
Sunny and Bear is a children's clothing brand that was started in
November.
that's when your birthday is. It was started I think in 2016. So yeah, as a brand it's almost 10 years old, which is crazy. But anyway, we got involved with it in 2018. And it was it's initially started out as being 100% linen and linen only. We've been fortunate enough to have clients in Cape Town, Joburg, some in the UK, local here in Durban. And then the company, myself and my business partner at the time, we both had kids at the same time, and so naturally just took a break for a while. Anyway, and so now that she's 4, and ironically I was pregnant with Summer at the time I got involved, now having another child, and now we're starting it up again.
But we're starting it up with wisdom though, that's the difference.
Yes. Yeah, and also having a child, we didn't have a child when we started this, and so now having a child and looking at kids' clothing, you go like, oh, okay, this will probably work better.
Yeah, let's go.
That's
this
right.
goes.
So yeah, we're looking forward to bringing it back to life, getting it out there again, because it was dormant for a long time. But just breathing fresh life into it and giving it I want to say a new identity, but its core values are the same, but it's going to look and feel a little bit different, obviously, because it's older and we're okay. Yeah. And I just think growing it with the intention of one day it being able to bless our children. Oh, okay. Yeah. So that's what Sunny and Bear's about. Do you want to add anything?
No, I'm just really excited actually for us to go on this venture of starting, not starting the brand, but really taking it to the next level and building a business out of it and providing really incredible kids clothing to many moms and dads out there and many young people. So yeah, we're excited about it. Shout out to the Bornmans and Kylie for blessing us with this business. Actually, we've inherited this business, which is really cool. So we're excited to see what God does with it, and we're gonna bring you along the journey. And with these vlogs, we're gonna do things a little bit differently. We're not using like fancy cameras. I think, you know, starting out, like I was always interested in like using a fancy camera to do cool things with.
Checkers 60.
Yeah, just hi Checkers 60, shout out. We'll do a partnership with you one day. Anyway, but now we're literally just using an iPhone. So the audio that you're hearing right now and the frame that you're seeing is literally just from an iPhone. So we're gonna keep things like really, really simple and simplistic. pretty much like us as a family. We're just really simple. And look, I'll show you the little tripod. Watch this. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this tripod. That's literally it. So that's what these vlogs are going to be. And if that's something that you like and are into, then subscribe to the channel.
That's right.
A daisy plus our food, then she will get chunky.
Oh.
If Daisy eats lots of food, she's going to get chunky. Like Summer. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that's the end of this first little vlog.
Yeah.
We're going to do a whole lot more of these, and I'm really excited about it.
Yeah, me too. It's going to be cool to look back on.
Yeah. Okay.
See you later.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye.